Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you delicious vegan recipes. Today, we have a treat for all the blueberry lovers out there. We'll be making mouth-watering vegan blueberry muffins that are sure to impress. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup almond milk, or any plant-based milk. Half a cup maple syrup. 1/4 cup coconut oil, melted. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 1½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. A pinch of salt. 1½ cups fresh blueberries. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the almond milk, maple syrup, melted coconut oil, vanilla extract, and apple cider vinegar until well combined. In a separate bowl, sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as it can make the muffins dense. Gently fold in the fresh blueberries into the batter. This will give our muffins those beautiful bursts of fruity goodness in every bite. Line a muffin tin with paper liners and evenly distribute the batter into each cup, filling them about 3/4 full. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the muffins for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The golden tops and irresistible aroma will let you know they're ready. And voila! Our vegan blueberry muffins are ready. They're moist, fluffy, and packed with juicy blueberries. Let's do a taste test. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tasty vegan recipes. Also, let us know in the comments what other recipes you'd like to see next.